Hello, this is Jerry Burhands, Sales and Marketing Manager, CCL Security, Sesamee Padlocks. Wanted to introduce you to our new large format Corbin padlock. In the box comes the padlock. As you can see here, this is the 3/4 inch shackle. It's a 45 millimeter 1 3/4 wide. Sesamee, LFIC. On the bottom, we stamp it COR for Corbin. We also include a spacer for the 6-pin cylinder. I have a 7-pin cylinder here for Corbin, as you can see here. Corbin Russ one. So I'll insert it with the control key. And there you have it. CCL Sesamee, established 1882, large format Corbin IC. They're available now. Go to Catalog and Literature to download our latest catalog to see pricing and options. Thank you.